Now BJP is also upping its ante against Rahul Gandhi. BJP says that Rahul Gandhi has taken a horrible potshot at the speaker only when he was trying to display his Indian values. My colleague Meenakshi joins me from the newsroom. Meenakshi, give us the details of BJP's reaction.
Well, absolutely, Priya. So now what Shehzad Poonawalla basically claims is, first, as you rightly said, he's attacked Rahul Gandhi, saying that the potshot at speaker was horrible. And I quote Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP says that Rahul made a horrible potshot at the speaker for showing Indian values of bowing before a senior. And then he invokes an incident from 2012, that is the UPA era. And this is a claim by the BJP. BJP claims that Rajiv Shukla then had asked the chair to adjourn the House. BJP claims, I reiterate, BJP claims, Shehzad says that this was done on the instructions of Sonia Gandhi, that is Jhukna. So basically he's trying to show a sort of juxtaposition to attack the Congress party. Congress's reaction on this particular allegation obviously awaited, but the war of words over this allegation which was made by Rahul Gandhi against Om Birla certainly escalating, Priya.
All right, Niyamika, now Rahul Gandhi has been fact-checked both on the floor of the House by the Speaker himself, and now BJP is also quoting history to show him the mirror. Have we heard anything from the Congress in terms of clarification on this particular matter?
Well, no, as of now, there is no clarification which has come on the part of the Congress party regarding the statement which is being given by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, as he has made an allegation upon the speaker, Mr. Om Birla, by saying that when he himself had met Om Birla, he just shook hands with him. But when Mr. Om Birla met Prime Minister Narendra Modi, then he had bowed down before the Prime Minister, to which Mr. Om Birla had replied that as per the traditions of our country, he has been taught that in public life as well as in personal life, whenever he meets someone elder to him, he should be greeted while bowing down before him, and for that reason he had done this kind of he has met Mr. Prime Minister in this manner, and for that reason he had said, BJP had said in fact that it is basically an insult to the chair, to which Mr. Rahul Gandhi had made certain allegations against the speaker Om Birla, and for that reason now BJP is upping up its ante by saying that this is an insult to the speaker which should not be accepted at any cost, as Rahul Gandhi has made certain allegations earlier as well, whether it is about switching off the mics, to which even Mr. Om Birla himself had replied that it is not in his hands whose mic should be switched on or whose mic should be switched off. That is not in his hands, the power is not in his hand, and for that reason we have seen that it was Rahul Gandhi who had once again mentioned in his speech that his mic had switched off, to which Mr. Om Birla had replied it very clearly that it is not right on his part to make such kind of allegations again and again. So we have seen that how Rahul Gandhi has made certain kind of allegations against the speaker of the Lok Sabha, to which now the BJP is attacking the Congress party. BJP is attacking Rahul Gandhi for making such kind of derogatory remarks against the speaker.
All right, was this attack warranted is going to be the big question going forward. Thank you, Niyamika, for joining us. We take a break.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.